ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o ẹni máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o wà ní sẹ́ǹsì tó gbórí ọ̀rọ̀ rí o ẹni máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ rí o wà ní sẹ́ǹsì tó gbórí yàlúwé 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 ọ̀rọ̀ wo là ń sọ ọmọ Yorùbá àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa tẹ́ ń gbọ́ wa nírú àsìkò yìí tá a lẹ́ni máa bá wa sọ yóò ní sẹ́ǹsì tó gbójú kò sọ̀rọ̀ méjì ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ náà tá à ti kú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni láàrin orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà àti àjọ àgbáyé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹja sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú orílẹ̀-èdè Amẹ́ríkà ìyẹn látọ̀dọ̀ ìṣẹ́sẹ́lẹ̀sì Trump kí ni ìdí àtìtúmọ̀ ẹ bọ́ bí ẹ wá wò ó lórí ètò ẹ wá wo àwọn òjògbò ògbà báyìí òun làṣírí ń tú àṣírí míì tó ti tú o ṣé Trump ó wá àbí ò ní wá eléyìí gangan ló fìdí ọ̀rọ̀ kalẹ̀ ǹjẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ mọ̀ wípé àìmọye nǹkan ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ìjọba àpapọ̀ náà jẹ́ ká sọ pé wọ́n mọ̀ àbí wọ́n mọ̀ léyìí táwọn iléeṣẹ́ rédíò àwọn iléeṣẹ́ tẹlifíṣàn tó jẹ́ ti ìjọba àpapọ̀ tí wọn kì í gbé gbogbo àṣírí ó ti dọ́wọ́ Trump báwo ni wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe tá a fi ní NTA a ní TTA a ní IT a ní gbá aláwo a ní iléeṣẹ́ rédíò lóríṣiríṣi tí wọn kì í fi gbé àwọn ìròyìn eléyìí jáde tó sì ṣẹlẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀rí ti dọ́dọ̀ Donald Trump kí wàá ní bàbá yìí sọ ẹ farabalẹ̀ ẹ wá gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ eléyìí ló mú kí àwọn ọmọ Gàmbàrí káwọn náà yarí wípé àwọn ò ní gbà àwọn ò ní fẹ́ àmọ́ ẹ kọ́kọ́ wo fídíò eléyìí ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ àṣírí ńlá tí bàbá yìí tú nípa ìjọba Nàìjíríà fún Donald Trump pẹ̀lú ẹ̀rí àrídájú àti déètì bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ òun rèé ọyá ẹ jẹ́ gbé yín débẹ̀ ẹ ń ṣe níbẹ̀.
Our leaders who are making noise in Abuja, they do a lot of things that are not reported in the media about the North. Let me tell you, even immediately, the problem that Mr. President should note, even in the North, that are not in the media at all. There is a local government in Bauchi State that is Christian-dominated. They call it Tafawa Balewa local government.
Okay.
You know that under Issa Yuguda as governor, he should hear this.
Okay.
They unilaterally relocated the headquarters of local government listed in the constitution to Bununu, from Tafawa Balewa to Bununu. And the only Christian member of the House of Assembly in that place, only Christian member, a female Christian member of the House of Assembly was suspended for criticizing that illegal relocation by the State Assembly. She was suspended, and that was barely a year after the inauguration of the session of their State Assembly. They suspended her till the end of that session for 3 years.
Wow.
Do you know that what you will not read in the media was that they took the case to court, the State High Court sided with the state government against the Constitution. The State High Court.
Wow.
It was only on 30th September 2025. We will not read it in the media. 30th September 2025, barely 2.5 months ago, that the Court of Appeal in Jos quashed that decision of the High Court and the Assembly, and they cited an example in Ekiti State that no individual, no institution has the right to relocate
the headquarters
of a local government as it is listed in the Constitution.
But why did Governor Yuguda, then Governor Yuguda, why did he do that?
He did that one because that is what they do to Christian-dominated areas.
So they removed the local government headquarters from a Christian-dominated place.
To a Muslim-dominated area. So you also have state terror to fight. Our leaders who are making noise in Abuja, they do a lot of things that are not reported in the media about the North. Have we seen it in the North that it is quite impossible? Last year, I met a girl from Gwoza, local government in Borno State, who obtained 277 in a U. Yes, in UTME, and was trying to obtain certificate of citizenship from liaison office of Borno State in Abuja here. And could not, they told her to go to, because she is originally from Goza, is from an IDP camp. She only managed to get that mark. Was not admitted at the University of Abuja here, I am telling you.
Wow.
But while trying to secure admission to read law at the University of Abuja, she went to Borno State Liaison Office in Abuja here to obtain...
she's an indigent of Borno State.
They told her to go back to Goza to obtain the certificate, but they were giving the same certificate to Muslims from Borno State in the same office before her very eyes.
Wow.
A police officer got there and said, this is how I have to use another Muslim person to obtain a certificate for me in this office, a serving police officer, female serving police officer that I met. So there are so many issues. Most of the children of Christians from this northern state, you see, this is a very complex issue.
It is.
Very complex issue. Most of these children of Christians from so many northern states cannot get admission to read medicine, law, or these computer science engineering courses, even if their parents, I have so many of them as friends, even if their parents are professors in certain universities, they changed one from medicine to Christian religious knowledge. Arbitrarily, these things are not in the media. We deny this reality in the media about what Christians in the North have been suffering.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ káàbọ̀ padà. Ṣé ti gbọ́ àṣírí àwọn kókó ọ̀rọ̀? Mo sì mọ̀ ó dá mi lójú pé bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ sí bàbá yìí ní ohun tí bàbá yìí sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọ àtèmi náà nígbà kan rí. Gbogbo wa náà lájọ ń wò ó. Gbogbo ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó ń tú àṣírí tó ń tú lásìkò yìí nítorí pé ayé ti dayé íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ni. Bó bá jẹ́ ìgbà kan tí ò sí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì, bá a ṣe máa tẹ̀ẹ́rì rèé. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí bàbá yìí sọ. Bí a ṣe mú kan tá a yàn kan nípò sí. Bá a ṣe ń sọ pé Mùsùlùmí nìkan, Kìrìsìtẹ́nì nìkan léyìí tó ti fokùn pa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn. Ṣùgbọ́n síbẹ̀síbẹ̀, sí bá a ṣe fẹ́ ṣe gbòòlò tí ò ní rùgbẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, àwọn ọmọ Karambani wọn ò ní ṣaláì sọ pé àwọn wà níbì kan. Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀, Bádéjọ ọ̀gá àwọn Mìyàtì àlà àti gbogbo àwọn ọ̀sọ̀mọ̀gbé ẹ̀ wọ́n ti gbọ́ ta. Wọ́n ní kò sí ohun tọ́jọ́ o, pé kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ rìn, àwọn ò ní gbà, àwọn ò sì ní fẹ́. Kí ni wọ́n náà máa ṣe fún Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu tí Donald Trump ọba wà? Òun rèé, ẹ bá ń gbọ́, ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ. Òun rèé.
Mohammed Ali Ringim, an ex-security expert. Securing lives and properties is my area of specialization. I want to see this very moment to call upon His Excellency, the United States of America President, Mr. Donald Trump, my good friend, to please be aware that Nigeria, we are not suffering from religiosism, tribalism. We are not persecuting Christians. We are always living together with Christians and Buddhists, Sikhs, Hindus, Taos, Maos, Confucians, Baha'is, Rastas, Satanists, and Shantos. All these religious denominations, if they may be at Nigeria, we are living peaceably with them because we are suffering from humanitarianism. Mr. Donald Trump, let me be aware that Nigeria is not Vietnam. Nigeria is not Afghanistan. Nigeria is not Iraq. Nigeria is not Iran. Nigeria is not Venezuela. If you attempt to encourage and make aggression and send your armed forces to Nigeria to wage war, it's an unscrupulousness. But be aware that our mosquitoes, they are waiting for your soldiers to bite them and infect them with malaria fever to die instantly. And more so, I heard last minute that Lieutenant General Chuait Anjuma made a blatant falsified allegation against the Nigerian armed forces. He stated that Nigerian armed forces, they are conniving, conspiring, collaborating with bandits which is a blatant falsified lie. Kiwai Danjuma, B1, I know you very well since Murtala Mohammed administration. Before you become a madman, you are sensible. You are the chief of army staff in Nigeria. But for you to accuse our armed forces, more especially the soldiers and our security agencies, for conniving and working together with bandits, is a blatant falsified lies. And if you are among the people that are instigating United States of America to come and wage war at Nigeria, our black people armed forces, they are gallant. They can fight you.
Thank you very
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Ẹ̀mí sọ̀rọ̀ kan mo ní àwọn aráabí yìí ò pera wọn lájá mọ́. Àjàlá lókùn tí wọ́n ń pera wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, torí tí wọ́n bá pera wọn lájá, wọ́n á mọ̀ pé wọ́n á mọ ibi tó yẹ kí wọ́n fẹsẹ̀ ara wọn sí, wọ́n á mọ ibi tó yẹ kí wọ́n fi ìdòkò wọn sí, wọ́n á mọ àárín àwọn èèyàn tó ti yẹ kí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n gbà tájá ò bá mọ rẹ̀ lájá, tó bá ń pèrè ẹ̀ ní àjàlá tí ìṣolówó alájá, tí wọ́n máa ń sọ pé àjàlá alájá níbọn. Àbùkù ní máa ń dà níkẹyìn. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń sọ bí wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ ṣe àwọn àrà tí wọ́n fẹ́ dá fún Donald Trump àti Bọ́lá Tinubu. Ẹ dákun, ní wọ́n bá kó wọn dọ́jà, ṣé wọ́n lè rà wọ́n lépìnì? Àní ẹ ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa, tí ò mójú rí, tí ò dùn sọ láwùjọ, ẹ sì tún rìn, ẹ tún yẹn fàǹdà. Àní ṣerú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tá à ń sọ rèé, wípé ẹni ká sì máa tẹ̀ síwájú ká máa bá wọn ṣe. Ohun tá a fi ń pariwo rèé, táwọn bàbá wa Pòfẹ́sọ̀ Bánjí Akíntóyè, Olóyè Sunday Ìgbòho àti gbogbo àwọn àgbààgbà sọ pé ọpọlọ táwọn eléyìí ní ó yàtọ̀ sí tiwa. Ọpọlọ àwọn eléyìí ò tó tá a yàn, kò tó tèrà dépòdépò tá a fi máa sọ ti ṣíṣe ká tó wá tiẹ̀ máa sọ tá a yàn. Báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ tá a wà lábẹ́ ìṣòro ẹni tí ò lọ́pọlọ, táwa tá a kún fún ìmọ̀ àtọpọlọ, tá a sì máa sìnrú lábẹ́ wọn. Wọ́n ṣe ní àpín léyìí tó mú ká máa sọ fún Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu pé bí kinní yìí ṣe ń lọ yìí, tí bàbá yìí bá kọ̀ láti gbé ìgbésẹ̀ bí akin, láti ṣe bó ṣe yẹ kó tó, bó ṣe yẹ kó ṣe, àmì ò lè sọ ibi tó lè bọ́ sí. Àmọ́ ohun kan ni wípé ó ṣeé ṣe kó má bọ́ sílẹ̀ tó lọ́ràá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, torí iṣẹ́ tí àwọn Fúlàní yìí ń jẹ́ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, ọkọjá àṣẹ tí èèyàn lè dúró wípé òun ò ṣe rere. Wọn ò fojú kékeré wò wá. Ìmọ̀ràn tí wọ́n ní fún wa ṣe ìmọ̀ràn gidi, ìmọ̀ràn aburú gbáà ni. Ọmọ Yorùbá àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń láǹfààní àti máa gbọ́ mi, ẹjá máa pa á láriwo ní gbogbo ìgbà. Tinubu pín, jẹ́ kó lúkálùkù, jẹ́ ká ní adarí tiwa, ká mọ̀ pa wa la yẹ̀ ẹ́ síbẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa lo ohun èlò wa tó jẹ́ àwa natural resources. Àwọn ò sọ nípa restructuring religion àbí kínní kan. Tó ìjọba míì bá débẹ̀ yọ wọ̀gìlì. Orílẹ̀-èdè tí wọn kì í bọ̀wọ̀ fófin. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ń tẹnu wọn jáde. Olórin kan ọ̀dá ẹnìbìkan ni wọ́n ti ń kọ. Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ ṣé o, ẹ bá mi share ètò yìí. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́, a tún pàdé. Ó dàbọ̀.